Do you want a surface-to-air missile in Stormworks that can do this? Well, look no further. Here's an updated tutorial on how to build it. Here we have an example missile. I'm going to real quick use a pivot to create a new body and then place a new starting point, which is our hardpoint connector attachment round. And then from then going forward, we're going to use a warhead body. You can do however many you want. You could like make this like have way more explosive power, or only one if you wanted. I'm gonna go for 2. I'm gonna set these impact threshold to around 10. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it's not 0, otherwise it'll blow up immediately. Now we're gonna get a missile radar, and look at the circular arrows underneath. We have positive going anti-clockwise. That's good. Now we're gonna go into the select tool again and set the missile radar to static. I'm also gonna set the FOV X and Y to 0.07, like that. Now heading back, we're gonna get some solid fuel fins. Make sure you have one arrow pointing forwards, and then your spinning arrows on top are going the same direction as the missile radar, and then on the left side is going anti-clockwise, and it'll be normal clockwise on the right side. Make sure you get the arrows all pointing the correct directions, otherwise it's just gonna steer away from the target. Next we're gonna get some solid fuel. Again, you can go as far back as you want. For some close range air to air or ship to ship, this will be pretty good. But if I was gonna have a surface to air turret that I was gonna be shooting like a fighter jet with, I'd probably like make it like way longer like that, so that the missile can like have more fuel like following the jet, accelerating into the target. That's gonna be good for what we're doing now. We're gonna get another block of fins, again the arrow on the front pointing forwards, and when we place it down we want to reverse the direction of all the arrows. So as you can see now, this one's going spinning left and this one's spinning right, and on the sides it's the same, they're opposite. Now we get the solid rocket motor. Just gonna set the burn rate to around 80. You can mess around with that if you want a slower launch, but I think that's pretty good for most purposes. We can leave fin influence at 100%, that's fine. Now for the logic side of stuff. First we're gonna take this node, put it into literally everything. So arm the warheads, activate the radar, and trigger the booster. Composite, we're gonna go from missile output into both the fins, and then we're gonna connect everything electrically together. So because this has a bit of a battery, it can power everything else. And that is it. I'm gonna color mine just some random colors just for fun. Now you know how to build some amazing multi-purpose missiles that work for surface to air, air to air combat, ship to ship, ground to ground, whatever you need. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if this helped you build them, and I'll catch you in the next one.